been invited to this event this afternoon. We are very happy and proud of all the work that you do, not just for the children that you have here, but also for others that come and visit you. And especially, I just witnessed a very special giving where the U.S. Congressman had donated a certain amount for your civic responsibility. And that is very important in our community to be part of that social responsibility. So when Congressman Kilili said that he's giving something to the club, I said, well, how much are you giving? and so we pledged yesterday, actually upon the invitation, David Attali, your president, promised that he will have a booth for the public school system. And because of that courtesy and the support given to the public school system, we also would like to give back something in return. And so we are going to be donating on behalf of the State Board of Education and the public school system of the Commonwealth of the Northern Mariana Islands, $300 cash to the San Diego Club, right, for your social responsibility activities. And we are also donating the Student First Cups. You can sell those for $5. That way you can make a little bit more money. And I think you will probably, all total get more than $300 cash. But we have $300 cash that we'd like to donate to you, to the club. So on behalf of the 10,000 plus students from Saipan, Tinian, and Rhoda, we want to thank you for this opportunity. And please, when you do visit the CNMI, come and visit our schools and tell us what things you're doing here. And we certainly would like to continue to collaborate with you. I have told your president that maybe in the next event we can come together as a group and do something from the Commonwealth to you and for the other groups that are here. So with that, and it's been a pleasure to be here, and we want to thank you again.